Welcome to forextrading.com. Right now it's 3 a.m., 3 and 10 minutes a.m. in the morning. It's 14th December. Let's take a look at the daily analysis. The S&P index seems like he's going further up and out, so the index probably will be growing, even though the right now move is based on medium and small candles. So even though it is pretty much sharp, I'm not seeing the super strong demand right now. So the price is staying higher and higher, and it is more probable that it will be shooting up somewhere, and it is more probable than retracing and taking a bigger breath right now. But the reality is also that it might be a little overbought right now. So we are not looking for any situation for correction or any kind of the drop. So if somebody is having position, he will probably keep it for a while. But if we are looking to enter the market, the situation is different, because keeping the position where we already bought the market before this index is very different than entering with the fresh position. This place right here wouldn't be comfortable at all for entering the market at S&P contract, even though the trend is very strong right now and it's moving upwards. So it is different situation for the contracts we already have, and different if we want to enter the market. And let's see about currencies. What happened here? Well, the pound is growing strongly. It was driven by the euro dollar, which hit the sky first. So we are talking about big triangle consolidation seen at 4-hour chart we are looking at right now, and it was probable that the chart will go to the downside as well to the upside. So I was telling yesterday to be careful with the upside move, to make sure that it's not a fake break, and pretty much it wasn't. So we are looking with super trend. We are looking at super trend right now. So it's growing and it's moving fast, taking only small breath at this way. So generally at 4-hour chart, seems that trend has changed from medium and the big dropping trend at this wave. We changed the trend to medium growing trend right now. So we are in the very strong uptrend, and that's what we are looking for long positions, even though when we are going to 30-minute chart, for example. So let's see how it happened yesterday. So we are having this big triangle. We are looking at 30-minute chart. This is all of it, and I've noticed a smaller one as well, and when it narrowed, the price shoot out at European noon. So we are talking about the strong trend with small breath taking, only 20-30 pips. So it was a classic breath taking in a strong growing trend. I'm talking more about those moves at online trainings, online courses, and how much of the movement to the downside we are looking for when we are in super growing trend, and how much we're looking when it is a fake break or when the behavior is different. So we had here a strong occasion for entering the market, and I will tell more about it in example of trades, of course. And here we are looking at the night perspective in Japan. I mean in Tokyo and Asia, we went to the comfortable zone, which was support resistance as well, and the price was moving forward a little bit. The side movement I've noticed is a rectangle. We could also mark this as the bigger rectangle like this one, and it has already broken to the upside, not even waiting for European opening. So the trend is very strong right now, even though we are looking at many data coming out today at Tuesday. So we are looking at pound publication data. We are talking about Euro, we are talking about United States as well. And most important, at afternoon, we are talking about funds rate. So it is most important data coming out at the market. And market already moved yesterday like it was after the this important publication data. So the market is moving like already know the decision, and everybody said everything they had to say already, and that's how it's moving today as well. It's not waiting for any situation to happen with publication data, it's just moving strongly. We are talking about super trend right now. But please consider that even though we are talking about super trend in this moment, this situation right here wouldn't be comfortable for me for entering the market, because it could be happening that the bigger breath could take place, because we moved from this pattern right here, and this move could go into the downside with some data publicated. We have the same situation at pound when we see this dome pattern like here. So the trend is strong right now, but I would be looking for more interesting trend, I mean a pattern, to enter the market like it happened before, and to keep position for some time. Interesting thing happened at gold chart. For our gold chart, we're gonna discuss it more at a trade example video. And the gold chart took the upward movement after those two shadows and tested this support resistance here. Let's take a zoom, and tested it here and moved to the upwards. So we are talking about possible strong trend as well, making this pattern after correction. It stopped out with those two beautiful shadows, and right now it might be moving higher and higher, and it might be moving fast. So if you were looking at the gold chart, you might already want to be in the market with long position, or you might be waiting for another situation to a market to drop or test this point again and move to the upwards with your long position taken somewhere at this trip. That will be all for now. Thank you very much, and please see some more maybe trade examples video. Thank you very much.